Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. How to test fuses. We have a selection of fuses here, and they're the typical ones you would find in a control panel. So this fuse is working. Let's test another fuse. Another fuse that's working. And another one. Yes, so we've got these fuses that are working. These are quick flow fuses for like boilers. Alright, let's go and have a look at our control panel. Okay, over here in our control panel you can see we have our housing here that you'd pull out and you'd have your fuses in there. Someone has kindly left some spares over here, but you won't always have the luxury of having spares in the control panel. So walk with your fuses and check if they need replacing. Sometimes distribution boards lose phases and it's because the fuse has gone. Alright, I hope this has helped you. Until next time, bye bye bye.